Aloha kakahiaka, it's Gina from WTI. Is there anything more scrumptious than a macadamia nut? I grew up on Kauai, and when I need that instant transportation to the taste of the islands, I want a high quality macadamia nut. I've been enjoying these premium macadamia nuts from Hamakua so much that I had to stop eating them so I would have some to show you on this video. I've had macadamia nuts in the past that taste rancid and old and just yucky. These taste so fresh and have that really satisfying crunch that you want when you get a good macadamia nut. I just love it. It's so good. The macadamias in these bags are not little tiny bits of nuts, but they're either whole or half. And I love that even when I got to the bottom of the bag, there was hardly any residual from the nuts, just a tiny bit of dust. Now, I had pretty grandiose plans for when I received these nuts. I was going to bake with them and do other creative things, but I just found that once I started eating them, I couldn't stop. I did use some chopped up on salad and in some oatmeal. The mac nuts from the Hamakua Macadamia Nut Company are onolicious. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.